mic. Testing.
Hello,
1,
hello.
2, 3.
Hello.
Hello.
Mind Spark Podcast.
Mind Spark Podcast. Gumagana, guys. Yes.
Yes,
It's
check.
working. So let's start.
Let's go!
Let's
The newest,
the latest Chicas.
Hey everyone, welcome to Mind Spark Podcast. I am Jadel Maga, your host for today, and today we're here to bring you fun stories, fresh ideas, and real conversations. Ready to dive in?
Let's go! And I'm Nalin Casiano, your co-host. And this episode, we'll talk about the advantages and disadvantages of podcasting. Perfect ito sa mga gusto magsimula ng sariling podcast.
Yes, and the whole team is here. Kasama natin sina Jeneline and Melana. Stay with us kasi marami kaming isi-share sa inyo.
So, ano nga ba ang podcasting? It's like your own radio show, but more flexible. You can record anytime, and your audience can listen anytime. And there are many platforms like Spotify and Apple Podcasts, so it's easy to share your content with the world.
Okay, so it's really fascinating about your answers when it comes to podcasting. Like, it makes the podcasting really popular, right?
Yes.
But let's also not forget about the advantages of podcasting. So, Nilin, what do you think are the advantages of podcasting?
Sure, Jadal. First, it's cost-effective. You don't need expensive equipment, of course. A good mic, laptop, and free editing software are enough.
Yes, you're right, Nilin. And you don't need a studio, so you can record at home. Just make sure tahimik lang yung surroundings mo.
Correct. Another advantage, it's convenient for listeners. People can listen anytime and anywhere. Podcasts fit perfectly into busy lives, right?
Yeah, and you can create diverse content.
Yes.
You can talk about any topic, right?
Yes,
You
correct.
love your
It's
hobbies,
actually good,
Yes.
diba?
stories,
Pero
or advice.
kung kayo yung magkakaroon ng sarili nyong podcasting, if you're going to start your own podcast, anong topic yung pipiliin nyo which is really applicable of your own self?
OMG, I think I would go to self-improvement tips. I love helping people grow.
Oh, true crime stories. It's always exciting to hear real life cases, right?
Siguro yung sa akin, book review. Kasi I want to inspire people to read and learn from books.
See, that's very inspiring.
What a really great
Yes.
answers coming from this gorgeous ladies. Like,
Yes.
parang dito na ipapakita nyo that you only do not have your beauty but also have your brain.
Yes,
So,
thank you, Judel.
maybe also another advantages is that you can build a community and your listeners can become your loyal fans if you are consistent.
Correct. And you can also earn passive income. You can have sponsorships, ads, or sell merchandise.
Very right. Plus, podcasting improves your communication skills. The more you record, the better you explain ideas and engage people.
At isa pang maganda sa podcasting ay you can reach a global audience. Kahit nasa ibang bansa sila, pwede pa rin silang makinig
tama.
sa content mo.
Yes, tama ka talaga, Julian, kasi it is a creative way to express
Yeah.
yourself. So,
Yeah.
pwede kang mag-experiment sa storytelling, format, and style ng delivery mo.
Exactly. And most importantly, it's fun. You get along to share meaningful stories and connect with people habang nag-i-enjoy
Yes,
ka.
you're right, Jodel. Hi, yes na yes. Kaya sa mga nakikinig ngayon, if you've been thinking of starting a podcast, gawin nyo na, guys. Huwag kayong
Okay.
matakot mag-explore.
Yes, tama.
Go na go.
You know what, guys? Podcasting is very flexible. You can record anytime and release episodes based on your own schedule, right?
Yes, you're
There's
right.
no hassle, so no fixed airtime means less pressure.
Yes, you're right, Nilin. Because of that flexibility, you can collaborate with different people. Pwede kang mag-invite ng guests to share their expertise.
Correct. And these collaborations can help you expand your network.
Yes.
And you meet people from different industries and build valuable connections.
And also, you can repurpose your content. Pwede mong gawing blog, post, YouTube video, or social media.
Yes, you're right, Jenny.
And here's one more thing about good podcasting, because it allows us to build our personal brand. Like, it becomes our platform to showcase our expertise and personality.
Yes, tama ka
Very
talaga.
right. So, and because of that, you know, you can establish yourself as a thought leader. People will trust you your insights and recommendations.
Yes, it is also therapeutic. Talking about your ideas and thoughts can help you release stress.
And it also creates a safe space, right, for
Yes.
conversations. So you can talk about topics that are often ignored in other platforms.
Yes,
right?
you're right, Julia.
Yes. Lastly, podcasting fosters community engagement. Your listeners can send feedback, ask questions, and share their stories.
Of course, there are also challenges. One big challenge is time-consuming production, right? Scripting, recording, and editing take a lot of time.
Oh, yeah. And you need to be consistent. Kung irregular ang uploads mo, your listeners might lose interest, diba?
Yes. And also, equipment and software costs. So, you can start with basic tools, but upgrading to better gear is pricey.
No.
Yeah, it is. But the questions in there is that, have you ever experienced a technical problem?
Yes.
Yes. One time, nag-crash yung laptop ko during editing. I had to redo everything. Super hassle, my goodness. Yes.
One another challenge is competition, of course. There are many podcasts now, so you need to find a way to stand out.
Yes, how about you, Jen?
Oh my God, I think you need a lot of patience. Building an audience take time. Don't expect thousands of listeners right away. It's not just a once-snap.
And one more disadvantages is the listener engagement can be tricky. So unlike social media, podcasting doesn't always have immediate feedback. Hindi mo agad malalaman kung nagustuhan ng listeners yung episode mo.
True. And sometimes it can feel demotivating kapag kunti lang ang downloads or even plays. But don't let that stop you.
Yes, of
tama.
course.
Never ever stop.
Never
Yes, and there's also the challenge of content burnout. Kapag naubusan ka ng ideas or feeling mo na pressure ka, no.
Huwag
Keep
kang mag-stop,
creating. Yes,
diba?
it can be exhausting sometimes, but go.
Kailangan nating lumaban.
Yeah, and let's not forget about audio quality issues, guys.
Oo, may mga times
Kahit,
na maingay
diba?
yung background.
Yeah.
So,
Minsan kasi kahit maganda ang content, pag maingay ang background or hindi malinaw ang audio, nawawala ang interest ng listeners.
yes, pangit kasi pakinggan.
Yeah,
no?
lalo pat maingay talaga.
Yes. May mga ano ng manok.
Ay, manok.
Ayokong makarinig ng
Sige.
ganun.
Ay, nako, nandito pa nga yung isa. Another disadvantage ay limited monetization opportunities, especially for beginners.
Oo, wala kang makukuha ano.
Hindi agad-agad nagkakaroon ng sponsors, right?
Yes.
You need to build a solid audience first.
So, pero despite these challenges, podcasting can still be a fulfilling journey. So, if you are passionate and consistent, you will see the rewards over time. So, you need to
Exactly, Lana.
Patience is a virtue.
sa bawat
Wait for the
pagsubok,
perfect time.
kaya sa bawat pagsubok, it is an opportunity.
Yes, tama ka,
to
Judel.
improve.
Tama ka talaga.
Kaya, don't be discouraged. Just keep going.
Yes, go, guys.
There you have it. So, the advantages and disadvantages of podcasting. So, it is fun and rewarding, but it takes effort too.
Right. So, kaya, to all aspiring podcasters there, remember that podcasting is a powerful tool to connect, create, and inspire.
Yes, guys, remember that. So don't wait for the perfect moment to start. Mag-start ka na ngayon. Don't take that first step. Your voice matters.
And even if you inspire just one person, that's already a success, right?
Yes, you're right, Jillian. So, your stories, ideas, and experiences have the power to make a difference.
Wow.
Kaya at this early age, go ahead, start, create, connect, and inspire because the world is ready to listen.
You're right.
Start small and enjoy the process.
Guys, if you need tips or have questions, message us on our socials. We'd love to help you.
See you next time on Mind Spark Podcast.